Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable the Display Images feature in Gmail on your PC. By default, Gmail may block external images from being displayed in your emails. However, if you want to see all images without any restrictions, enabling this feature can be very useful. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to enable Display Images in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. On the top right corner, click on Settings. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Click on See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. Scroll down and locate the section labeled Images. Next to it, click on Always Display External Images. That's it. You have successfully enabled the Display Images feature in Gmail. From now on, all images in your emails will be displayed without any restrictions. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials on Gmail and other tech-related topics.